Hello and welcome. This is the Casio AW-80 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode on this watch. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that's the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep and the seconds begin to flash. Once there, press the lower left button and we have our DST flashing and as our indicator for the DST. To shuffle it between on or off, press the lower right button and you can see the time is changing plus or minus 1 hour. That means that we are shuffling our daylight saving time mode between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at off since it is off in my time zone. To implement the setting, simply press the adjust button once and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode and our daylight saving time mode has been changed. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.